So over here you see I'm busy working on my airport security project. Those are some test pieces. If you look closely over here you can see the imprint. This one you can see better of the squares. This is supposed to reflect on the squares that the scanner, when you go through airport security, shows in different colors, red, yellow and green. You can see I've done one on the toes here and one on the legs. Those are rough samples, but I think they're coming on quite well. So I'm just busy trying to create another sample here. So interesting, you really have to think of, really have to think of the actual thing you're doing. While you're working on the object, you have to imagine yourself actually standing there, being searched, seeing these things and feeling very, very violated. Oops, here we go. This one's quite a nice feat. We're going to give it an indentation, which we'll then be able to highlight with different colors, put some silver in it, and hopefully see how it will show on the screens. And let's just put this again. It's very hard material to work with, really. So as you can see, things are breaking as we're working. So now I'll just put this one here to rest. That's the piece we've just made. Put it here to rest. You can see the indentation. Generally we'll let it dry, put it through the first firing, and that's when we can start actually giving it life of its own. I was very aware of the fingerprints and the marks things leave behind, so if you think about it, well, somebody actually touches your feet while you're going through security, it's a very exposing and uncomfortable experience. So we're trying to understand it and try and reflect it. Not all the samples actually survive, but that's okay. So I'm thinning out the clay, putting it in. It's hard to see, is it? And just at the moment I'm just putting it into the mold, letting it settle a bit.